Hello students, welcome to the EDOL 550. My name is Dr. Cheryl Lampe. I'll be working with you for the next 8 weeks. It's going to be an exciting time. This is a course that does a survey over the foundations of America's educational system. And it starts with Thomas Jefferson, very interestingly. And so you're going to learn about some of the great names in education, how we got started, what were the founding principles, and it becomes kind of like, I guess you might say, it's a quest for the knowledge that we haven't really ever focused on. I didn't learn this information until I became a professor. So I think it's so valuable and so very interesting. So I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know early on. I'll expect that you'll send me an email if something is that you need to have question. The most important thing is this book, because you can't really do the book without it. And it's the Tozer, Sensi's, and Viola's School and Society. And it's the one that I think it's this, is it the 6th edition? Yeah, 6th edition. So please pick up this. It has a school bus on the front. I did send out an email to everyone a few weeks ago to let you know, to remind you to purchase that book. I know you can get it in a used form online. I know many of my students have purchased it online in the used version. So I hope that you will do so. And so we're going to be doing a lot of really important work in our discussion boards, responding to one another. I know that the course is now available to everyone, so I hope you'll go online and check everything out. I do need your phone numbers, your contact phone numbers. I just went online today and I found that about 2 of you don't really have a good contact number. So if you could put that, maybe even email it to me, because I will be calling you next week to find out how everything went. And once again, my name is Cheryl. Please refer to me as Cheryl. And I hope that you'll learn a little bit more about me as we go through this program together. I have been in education a very long time, and it's really exciting because the next part of my life, when I retire in a couple of years, will be to open a new charter academy where students will live in and the parents will come and visit them on the weekends for lunch or dinner. And I'm planning to do this in South Central LA. It's going to be an interesting challenge, but I'm looking forward to it, to see if we can succeed and maybe help these students overcome the societal issues that they're facing in their communities. So with that, I wish you a wonderful new week, and I'm really excited about getting started this fall, 2013. The course is available, as I said, now, and I hope that you will find that textbook if you have not already done so. God's blessings to you.